3.0 northeast ground, runway 24 at Juliet, intersection departure. Taxi via Alpha 3, Alpha Golf.
We'll be making a right turn at Golf and we're going to hold short.
Yeah.
Archer 3.0, cross runway 33 at Golf.
Vacuum.
Archer 743 Delta Sierra Northeast Tower, wind 220 at 9er, runway 24 intersection Juliet, clear for takeoff, proceed on course.
Left turn approved, 3 Delta Sierra.
Approved, have a good day.
Where are we right now, Mario?
Ticket 5 Lima Alpha, frequency change.
It stays like that, we're gonna be using runway 19.
What's this?
Yeah.
No, they're still fighting. Winter and summer are fighting with each other, and,
Right.
and this is what we get.
One, 0 knot. Woodbine Municipal Airport, automated weather observation. 152-9er Zulu weather. Wind 200 at 10 knot. Peak gust 16 knot. Peak gust 20.
Want to see the pattern, how you're going to answer it.
Woodbine Municipal Archer Delta Sierra entering left downwind for runway 19. Base runway 19. Final runway 19. Counter that 3,035 minutes river. Respect.
Very tough today with the wind conditions. Things ready here.
Yeah.
And as soon as you're ready, we're going to get on the runway, make a turn.
Checked. Trim set for takeoff. Pressure good. Oh, nice. Go on.
Woodbine traffic, White Skyhawk, 3 mile final, runway 19, Woodbine.
Speed alive.
45-degree turn to the left.
Okay.
And we'll clear the patterns here.
No clouds below 12,000. Temperature 21, dew point 6, altimeter 2996. Northeast Philadelphia Tower, landing and departing, runway 24, arriving wind 200 at 9er, gusting 15. Visibility.
Heading 290, wind 220 at 12, runway 24, clear for takeoff.